knew nothing about the sexual abuse of boys at the Knoll View residential. The university spokesperson Joe Johnson has said a letter signed by a Conservative MP at university.
Wow!
New York got that too, and they took it, you know, it left our Johnson Space Center, and it's up there now.
Man, I can't even call it Houston Street.
Holy shit!
It is really poorly run. And then when you see a self-checkout and that requires the manager to come over and deal with you.
It's insane.
Oh, the other day I was at CVS and the person, while they were checking me out, said, "Give me 1 minute," and walked to another station in CVS where they scooped ice cream for someone and then walked over.
你看，就在这个地方拍的，谁没碰到这个？
他自己晃上了，
对，咣，
你看到没有？
咣，
就这么像，
就这过程。
You motherfucker! Fuck! Fuck! You serious, you son of a bitch? What are you doing? Oh my god. Really, dude?
It's coming up next, John Hickory. I want to say it one time, but people think it's all I talk about. Now
It's so funny. I think of when I introduced you to my wife, I said he's from Hickory.
Right.
Смотри. Есть. Ух ты, блин.
Блядь! Пиздец!
Баран ёбаный. Приехали.
Красавчик.
Телефон рекламной службы в Вологде. 528-505.
很有自己的风格。也不是奋不顾身了。Holy fuck! Fuck's sake.
Rating agency Equifax over a recent data breach. 143 million. From member station WGBH, Mark Hers has more. Social security numbers, birth dates.
I've got hot dogs, burgers, plenty of chips.
And I got the Pepsi.
Perfect. Great.
Jesus, veio distraído. Santo Deus do céu.
Taking steps to help make sure it does. At Kaiser Permanente, we believe a doctor should be a person first, a scientist second, and trustworthy always. It's why we're so
Rest mattress. With Beautyrest Endless Summer Savings, there's no better time to buy it than now. Get some of our lowest prices of the year on select Beautyrest mattresses. The only ones featuring Beautyrest pocketed coil technology for rejuvenating sleep. Hurry and soon.
深绿林每天早上11点免费免预约，酿酒之城参观导览，看得见的品质，喝得到的安心，走一趟路岛，看见好酒的坚持。台湾免费配送。7号路。
Что делает, сука? Ёбарат, вот пидор. Ебать его в рот. Ах, все, пиздец.
Пидорас.
все, он там нахуй не живой.
O kurwa. Ty dzwoń.
Нифига себе. Да?
Oh, don't fucking believe that.
It appears on anchor.fm/videogamesdaily, as well as the Anchor app, of course, and also on Echo and Google Home devices. Thankfully, or for whatever reason, I got lucky and I didn't have that.
Fucking idiots!
You know I hate to hurt you, I hate to see your pain, but I don't know how to stop, I don't know how to stop.
Minutes on the watch. Yeah, this time brought to you by Holland View. Here we have Ian Harding. Well, we had this accident on Highway 1 right now. Slowing up traffic at 232, and you're backed up all the way to 264th Street. It isn't actually blocked.
Начала скакать в рацию.
То есть нормально, да?
Ёб твою мать. Куда? Стой, остановись.
Александр Власов, пресс-секретарь аэропорта Домодедово. Напомню, Дмитрий Каменщик, главный фигурант уголовного дела о теракте 2011 года.
En cualquier momento, los Cazarradios podrían visitar tu casa, tu
Thanks, Sam, to check in and let us know we were keeping her company while on duty at Naval Air Station Oceana in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Well, thank you for your service, Caitlin. Hope you had some time off earlier this week to enjoy the big family festa.
Which is why it's hard. I mean, I think that a lot of things we think of as irreversible aren't. So, to go back to the Middle East, for example, 25 years ago, many of the countries in the Middle East that are now in the throes of religious fundamentalism were thought to be
Nail her in slow hand and I'm ready to be Sarah in for Chris for a few weeks. Having a lovely time. Tim Appleton on the way. He's the creator and the curator of the Big Bird Fair and in Rutland Water Nature Reserve. Going on this weekend, 22,000 people expected to be there. Oh, Kerry, that's such a...
We could stop it. And I already got the team who would help me. Oh!
Kidding me? Oh, you fucking idiot. Good job, Reed.
Кто виноват? Ты?
Нет. Ну, конечно. Motherfucker.
Unless you're in the first 3 rows, but the first row is bulkhead. Oh, God damn it! Are you okay?
I think so.